Endoscopy is the hospital's trust. Emed is the company that upholds that trust. Emed has been specializing in used endoscopes for over 12 years, and we directly manage sales, repairs, and purchases. We are a technology-based company, not just a sales company. Used Olympus Pentax endoscopes. Pre-sale inspection completed. Tested and shipped. We will inform you after checking the status. Reasonable price, safe quality. Endoscope repairs are specialized. Upper, lower, left, and right bending sections replacement. Insertion tube replacement. Bend repair. Leak testing. Precise inspection. We only use field-proven parts. All endoscope parts are provided with parts of near genuine quality. Verified products, not cheap shells. Endoscopy, a place you can trust. Emed. No 9209 8070.